Hi guys, it's Keith with Arugula Farms, and I'm down here at my spinach patch that I planted a couple weeks ago in the heat. It's doing pretty good, but now it's not looking so hot. Let me show you real quick. Well, I hope you like the new intro. This patch over here was doing really good a couple days ago when I was down here checking on it. But since then, it's all but disappeared. But I think I know the culprit. Right there. See how those are all chewed off? Still got some going. But I believe what I had down here was a rabbit in the bed. See, chewed off. Pulled up out of the ground. Still got some left. Looking a little rough, but it's still going. Temperature's cooled off this week at least. Only be in the mid 80s, low 90s, which is unusual for July. As you can see, I have been left with no spinach. The arugula, on the other hand, it's still going good. It was spotty to start with, but it's coming along nicely. Had a little issue with germination in the heat and using cloth and watering too much. Discovered you can't use row cover when it's that hot out and you're watering that much. It just suffocates the seeds, and when they come up they get fried off immediately. That's where we're at this point. Next time I just need to make sure and put up rabbit fence. Which actually, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's way over there in the corner. I just never put it up. Well, I hope you guys liked what you saw here today. If you did, even though it's a failure, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.